nearly 1 million Marylanders have already taken steps to ensure they are notified if they cross paths with someone who tests positive for COVID-19. And it's all done with a few clicks on your phone. Our team coverage continues now with Rachel Cardin. She is breaking down this new tool used for contact tracing. But Rachel, some people still have hesitations here.
That's right, Rick. A lot of people we spoke to today are still skeptical. They're worried that this is a way that they can have their personal information and their location tracked. Now, we did speak to the Maryland Department of Health. They're trying to alleviate those concerns by explaining exactly how the system works.
Our phones are almost never far from us, so what better way to notify someone if they've come in contact with the coronavirus than with a phone alert?
If there is close contact, if you are within 6 feet of somebody for at least 15 minutes, this is a way that that exposure can get logged, even if you don't know who that individual is.
Your phone will tell you if you were near someone who tests positive, but only if they report it. The technology itself doesn't know your results unless you report them.
You get this code and you voluntarily choose to report your diagnosis to the system.
For iPhone users, you can enable the feature in settings. If you have an Android, you can download the free app. Nearly 1 million Marylanders have already opted in.
It asked me if I wanted to have COVID updates, and I set it up, and, I had to be safe. You never know with this pandemic going on.
The Maryland Department of Health says the feature does not track your location or collect your personal data. Some people are still skeptical, but others say technology we already use in our daily lives is trackable.
They know where you are anyhow with your bank card when you use it, so why not give you something that's good if they're going to do it?
The alert won't tell you who was positive or where you were when you came in contact with them. It only tells you the date of exposure so you can isolate and get tested.
We are not collecting personal information. We are not tracking location. So we don't have those data. There's nothing to share. The whole point of this is it's another tool to help stop the spread.
And speaking of it being another tool, this is just a way to complement the contact tracing system that is already in place, so you should still answer if MD COVID calls. We're live in Baltimore City. I'm Rachel Cardin for WJZ.